JYWD Ransomware has been discovered as another variant of the infamous Djvu Ransomware family. Like other associated strains of the prominent malware threat, this ransomware locks files and then demands a ransom fee to restore file access. Infections like JYWD ransomware can be distributed via software bundles. So if you tend to download freeware or pirated apps distributed via torrent or cracked software sites, you may end up installing such threats. JYWD ransomware locks most of the popular file types, including photos, music, documents, and videos. During the file encryption process, JYWD ransomware adds the JYWD extension to the affected files and leaves a ransom note on the user's desktop and in every folder that contains encrypted files. Once downloaded and installed, JYWD ransomware will employ the AES encryption algorithm to lock up your files. Oftentimes, information stealers like Zeus and Corebot are deployed alongside ransomware, and this allows hackers to access sensitive user information before encrypting the files. Thus, it is possible that JYWD ransomware comes with these information stealers too. When the file encryption is complete, the ransomware demands a ransom in order for victims to obtain a decryption key. The decryption key costs $980, but the ransomware's operators will offer a 50% discount and only charge $490 if the victim contacts them within the first 72 hours after infection. The hackers are supposed to be contacted at support@freshmail.top and datarestorehelp@airmail.cc. We discourage establishing contact with the hackers, however, as there's no guarantee that they'll provide decryption tools after payment or even communicate with you. It is important to note that JYWD ransomware does not just encrypt data, it also attempts to delete all shadow copies of affected files stored on your computer. This can make recovery of your documents and data extremely difficult, if not impossible. It is highly recommended that you never attempt to pay a ransom for a decryption key, as this does not guarantee access back to the encrypted files. The best course of action is focusing on methods that can help you restore your data and protect your system from similar threats. How do I deal with the JYWD ransomware infection? To protect yourself from the JYWD ransomware attack, you should practice safe web browsing habits like refraining from opening email attachments from unknown senders and downloading programs from unreliable sources. You should also have a reputable malware remediation tool installed on your computer. That way, you can regularly scan for elements associated with this troublesome ransomware infection and other malware. Also, to reduce the potential damage of a future ransomware infection, please consider backing up your files on an external hard drive or cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.